The AFS Extension identifies an Another File System archive containing packaged game assets commonly used in Sega and other console game titles. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you extract, modify, or troubleshoot these game archive files. As a quick preventative measure, I always recommend having a dedicated universal file viewer ready. This kind of tool can often bypass basic AFS corruption. We will discuss my top recommendation again later in the tutorial. AFS files are game asset archives using the AFS, another file system format commonly found in Sega Dreamcast PlayStation 2 and other console games. They contain packaged textures, models, sounds, and other game resources in a simple indexed archive structure. AFS archive files use a binary format with a header containing a magic number, AFS, followed by file count, and an offset table listing the position and size of each contained file. Files are stored sequentially without compression for fast sequential access. For the AFS file type, AFSExplorer from Repacking is a trusted and reliable source. The file's embedded tracks and streams require a specialized reader for full playback. Windows shows only basic file information, so reviewing real content requires game-supporting tools. We're performing a compatibility scan. Right-click your AFS file and choose Open With. Test AFS Explorer first. If it's not there, select another program. This process often reveals the simplest solution. If the AFS file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. The good news is that file opening failures usually follow a pattern. You have one of three problems. I put together a short list showing the cause and the simple check. First, extracting assets. Use AFSExplorer or QuickBMS with AFS extraction scripts to browse and extract files from AFS archives. Open the archive to view contained files listed by index. Extract individual files or the complete archive contents to a directory for inspection and modification. Next, repacking archives. After modifying extracted assets, use AFSExplorer or AFS Packer tools to repackage files into a new AFS archive, maintaining the original file order and alignment. Replace the original AFS in the game directory to apply modifications. Finally, game-specific considerations. Different games may use modified AFS format variants. If standard tools fail to extract, try game-specific extraction tools from the modding community. Verify file alignment requirements, as some games expect specific padding between files within the archive. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need. Available at filemagick.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.